Hello students, welcome in chapter 12. Today students I continue our example number 12. Find the equation of set of the points P which are equidistant from A and B. Yes, equidistance means they are the equal distance traveling from A to B. Consider that's your A and here your B. A I have 3, 4, minus pi, b minus 2, 1 and 4. And students, one point is equidistant from both of the A or B. Please consider I, x, y, z. Maybe your P is here, so that also your equal distance is. Sometime P is here, that your equal distance is. Anyone. So suppose P, x, y, z, which is equal distance from A and B. Yes, very easy. You just write down PA is equal to PB and making square. PA square is equal to PB square. Now apply distance formula. So this P, that A. Apply distance rule. X minus 3, same y minus 4 and z plus 5. Similarly this side students, x plus 2, y minus 1 and z minus 4. Now you expand the each side's values. So here x square 6x 9, y square 8y 16. Similarly here z square 10z 25. And similarly students, you can make right sides. X square 4x 4, y square 2y 1, and last of the z square 8z plus 16. Z square 4 to z 8z and 4 square 16. Students, these are like term cancels on both the sides, and only you collect your like value. Minus 6x minus 4x become minus 10x, minus 8y minus 2y. Take right to left side. Yes, so minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 minus 8 and plus 2, that is minus 6y, and z 10z plus 8z. Yes, it become 18z. And now you go to constant. 16 and 4 20 plus 1 21, and right side 9 and 16 25 and 25 50. Yes, and 20 and minus 15, it become 29. So students, my answer is minus 10x minus 6y plus 18z is equal to minus 29. Yes, 40 and the 50. So minus 10x minus 6y 18z plus 29 equal to 0. So 10x plus 6y minus 18z minus 29 equal to 0. That's your set of points which are equidistant from the set of A and B points. That's your students' answer. Now students, continue. Example number 13. The centroid of a triangle ABC have given Z centroid 1 1 1 and two coordinates of A 3 minus 5 7 and B minus 1 7 minus 6. Then find coordinates of C. So students, in the triangle, I will check here. A is your coordinate 3 minus 5 7, B minus 1 7 minus 6, and C students, I consider x3 y3 z3, and here your centroid G already given that 1 1 1. Actually centroid lies on the all the medians, and that median students AD, B and CF. Yes, here I will write down AD, BE and CF, the medians. So very easy. Third vertex C, I assume that x1, I mean x3, y3 and students z3. And utilize simple our formula for centroid. So suppose See x3, y3, z3. x3, y3, z3 in a triangle ABC. Now students, we are going to centroid formula. Therefore, centroid G111, actually given the initial base, you will write down here x1, x2, x3 by 3, y1, y2, y3 by 3, and z1, z2, z3 by 3. Let consider x1, it is x2, that is x3. So students, you just apply on the value 111. x1 I have 3 minus 1 plus x3 by 3. Same, y1 is minus 5, 7 and y3 by 3. And this last one, 7 minus 6 plus z3 by 3. And now students, you just compare the values. Here 2 plus x3 by 3. Here also 2 plus y3 by 3. And last one here 1 plus z3 by 3. Here 7 minus 6, it will become 1 plus z3 by 3. Now first compare 2 plus x3 by 3. Similarly 2 plus y3 by 3. And last 1 plus z3 by 3. So my answer is a 3, 2 plus x3. x3 become 1. Same here, 3, 2 plus y3. So y3 become 1, 3 minus 2. And last, z3 become 2. It means students, your third vertex. Therefore, third vertex C is ready. x3, y3, z3. It will become 1, 1 and only 2. Now students, here our examples over. So now I continue to our exercise. Yes, exercise number 12. Very easy, but big numericals. First one, for A, B and C given for the vertices of parallelogram, then find your fourth vertex. So that's your parallelogram. A, B, C and D. A I have 3, minus 1, 2. B 1, 2, minus 4. And C minus 1, 1 and 2. Minus 1, 1 and 2. And find out our fourth vertex. So fourth vertex I just assume x, y, z. And I will cover to midpoint of both diagonals are same in the parallelogram. So students, here first suppose our fourth vertex D, I just assume that x, y, z. Now going to formula. Yes, midpoint of diagonal AC same as is equal to midpoint of diagonal BD. Now mention in the parallelogram ABCD, students. Yes, both diagonals midpoint are equal, and that level I just cover value of D. So A to C midpoint 3 minus 1 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 by 2, and 2 plus 2 by 2. Same cover to B to D. B to D I have x plus 1 by 2, y plus 2 by 2, and z minus 4 by 2. So does easily you will cover and compare the values. Here 3 minus 1, 2 by 2, 1. Here 0 and here 2. 2 plus 2, 4 by 2, 2. And this side same as x plus 1 by 2, y plus 2 by 2, and z minus 4 by 2. Now you just compare it value. So 1 is equal to x plus 1 by 2, second 0, y plus 2 by 2, and third 2, z minus 4 by 2. 2 cancel it, multiply, your value x is equal to 1 only. Same as here 0, so y become minus 2. And last 2 to the 4, it become 8. It means students, your fourth vertex is easily and simple way done 1, minus 2 and 8. Very easy and simple way you can define your fourth vertex using midpoints of both diagonals. Same, therefore fourth vertex D x y z, it will cover to your answer 1, minus 2 and 8. Now going to question number 2. Yes, 2 is also same. Find the length of median in the triangle ABC vertex is given. That's a triangle A, B, C. A I have 0, 0, 6, B 0, 4, 0, and C student 6, 0, 0. And asking that find the length of medians. Students, first of all 3 medians I just suggest here. One of the AD, next BE, and third CF. Here your centroid. And create 2, 3 our midpoints value DEF. Yes. So suppose D, E, F are the midpoint of sides BC, CA, AB respectively. Therefore, students, AD, next BE, next CF are the medians of the triangle ABC. Now medians ready. So students, I will cover first midpoint. Yes, so first I go to this midpoint D and systematically apply. Therefore midpoint D, simple apply in BC midpoints. 0 plus 6 by 2, 4 plus 0 by 2, and 0 plus 0 by 2. And my answer is ready. Here 3, 2, yes 3, 2, 0 mention them. Same as now E midpoint. So midpoint E, and same apply in the E form also. 6 plus 0 by 2, now 0 plus 0 by 2 and 6 plus 0 by 2. Our answer is a 3, 0, 3, 3, 0, 3. Just like a midpoints, here also same. And students, our coordinates are just checking that 0, 0, 6, 0, 4, 0 and 6, 0, 0. Yes, correct. Now go to third I have to F. So continue midpoint F. So you cover in the A to B midpoints. So 0 plus 0 by 2, same as 4 plus 0 by 2, and last 6 plus 0 by 2. And my answer is simple way. Here 0, 2, 3, and that you put it 0, 2, 3. Now apply the values to one by one easily. Length of medians. So my first median, I go to A to D. Therefore, length of median AD means go to simple distance formula in A to D. 0 minus 3, next 0 minus 2, and next 6 minus 0, and my answer is 9, 4, and here 36. Total 40 and 49. It become just only 7. Continue. Length of median. Second median now, BE. So in going to B to E, same as 0 minus 3 square, 4 minus 0 square, and 0 minus 3 square. Same doing. Similarly, so here 9, 16 and 9. So same as students here, 9 and 9, 18, 18 plus 16, it will do 14, 1, 34. Yes. And last, length of median. The last median to CF. Students, it is a 3 marks question, sir. Systematically, just I calculate C to F now. So 6 minus 0 plus 0 minus 2 plus and 0 minus 3. So my answer is 36, 4 and 9. It becomes 49. So my answer is only and only 7. Now students, I just continue ahead in the question number 3rd. That also same pattern. Question 3. In a triangle PQR, P, Q and R given and also given centroid is a 0, 0, 0. Then find value of ABC. Yes, here the triangle PQR having P given 2A, 2, 6. Second, Q given minus 4, 3B minus 10, minus 4, 3B minus 10, and R 8, 14, twice C. One more time check. P is a 2I say 2, 6, minus 4, 3B minus 10, and 8, 14, and twice C. And given that centroid is a origin. So students, here your centroid on the medians, and that medians covered to G is centroid, our 0, 0, 0. Find value of ABC. Very easy. So centroid G 0, 0, 0. I just put the standard formula x1, x2, x3 by 3, y1, y2, y3 by 3, and z1, z2, z3 by 3. That considers students x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, and x3, y3, z3. So value put it. x1 is a twice a, x2 minus 4, and that become 8 by 3. Same twice 3b, 14 by 3, and last 6 minus 10 plus twice c by 3. 6 minus 10 and twice c by 3. And now simple calculate. So 0 is equal to, just I compare it, twice a, it become plus 4 by 3. Similarly 0, here 3b, 14, 15 and 16 by 3, and last here minus 4 twice c, minus 4 twice c by 3. Now answer cover. 0 is equal to 2a plus 4, a become minus 4 by 2, it will be minus 2. Same students here, 0 is equal to 3b plus 16, b become minus 16 by 3, and last 0 is equal to minus 4 plus twice c, so twice c is equal to 4. So what is c? C become 2. That's your b become, and a is your minus 2. And very easily students, minus 2 minus 16 by 3 and c become 2 is your happily easily this numerical done. Now continue question number 4. Similarly, slowly I going that. Yes, find the point on y axis which are distance p to 5 root 2. Yes, question is find point on the y-axis which is distance from P. Yes, 3. So students, find the point on y-axis which is distance from P. P given that 3 minus 2, 5. Yes, distance from P, 3 minus 2, 5 is 5 root 2. And that's your students' answer. So very easy. Point suggest on y-axis. So suppose I just assume Q on y-axis 0 y 0. Yes, suppose Q on the y-axis where PQ 5 root 2 and apply distance formula. So PQ square here 25 root 2 square 2, it become 50, and go to P2Q distance formula. 3 minus 0 minus 2 minus y and 5 minus 0, and do the expansion. It is 9. Here 2 plus y whole square 25. Now students, you will cover simple way. Yes, 2 plus y whole square is equal to 50 minus 25 minus 9. It is 25. 25 minus 9, 16. So can we write down 16 is just like a 4 square? Yes. And here I will do the two answers. Yes, 50 minus 25 and 16, that two answer. One of the plus 4, one of the minus 4. So 2 plus y is equal to 4, or 2 plus y is equal to minus 4. So y become 2. Here y become minus 6. And these two answers, students. So last we declare, therefore required point on the y-axis which is Q 0 y 0. I just put it this way and that way. So students, my answer is 0 2 0, otherwise 0 minus 6 0. And that, students, easily and simple way our answer is here, students, done. Now continue question number in the fifth one. Similarly going in the way of divisions internally and externally wise. Our next question, fifth, students, asking here. Now students, question number 5. This is also IMP questions. A point R which have x coordinate is 4, and on the segment joining P and Q, then find point R, coordinates that. So students, this is your drawing. Here P, that is the R, and here Q. Our P is a simple node 2 minus 3 4, Q 8 0 10, and R is just I derived because the x coordinate is 4 given, but yz I just suggest unknown, and here taking ratio m ratio n, either in textbook printed k ratio 1, as you like. If I written k ratio 1, then also true by the division rule. So suppose R 4 y z divides PQ in the ratio k is to 1 from P side. So you can cover directly to value R 4 y z and create the value for the k ratio 1. So k bracket 1 bracket k plus 1. Same students here, k bracket 1 bracket k plus 1, and lastly same in the k bracket 1 bracket k plus 1, and value put it to back side first. 8 2, next 0 minus 3, and last 10 4, and simple calculate the answer for value of k. So students, just I compare to first 4 equal to 8k plus 2, k plus 1. Secondly, y is equal to 0 minus 3, k plus 1. And last, z is equal to 10k by k plus 1. And students, here I derive value of k. So 4k plus 4, 8k plus 2. It will be minus 4k, and 2 minus 4 minus 2. So k become 2 by 4. It is half, and that k value I just put it systematically here and here. So y answer is, students, minus 3. K I have half plus 1. So exact your answer is a minus 3 by here 3 by 2. So half and 1 3 by 2, 3 cancel, it will get to minus 2. Same here students, z value is also you cover in the way of putting k value. K I have half plus 4, same half plus 1, and easily students you create your answers is here. In simple way, decide the answer. So is that here 2 5s are, so 5 and 4 9, and that will be 3 by 2. So your answer is 3 3s. So 3 into 2, it will be 6. So finally required your value asking for coordinate of r. Is that what? Yes, 4 y z. Your y is known minus 2, and so the z is also known 6. It means 4 comma minus 2 comma 6, and that's your students, easily your answer is done here. Now I am going to continue our last question, 6th one. Now students, continue 6th one, which is the most IMP numericals in exam orientation. The very most. If A and B be the points given respectively, find the equation of set of points which have the conditions P have PS square plus PB square is equal to K square, where K is constant. So here I just suggestion point P x y z. So suppose P x y z is our set of points. Yes, is a set of point where condition is, students, PS square plus PB square, PS square plus PB square is equal to K square. Apply distance formula, that is P, that's the A, and second B. So students, I am going to systematically one by one expansion. Here x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square, and z minus 5 whole square. Same as P to B, x plus 1 whole square, y minus 3 whole square, and z plus 7 whole square is equal to K square. Again repeat, x plus 1 whole square, y minus 3 whole square, and z plus 7 whole square. Now you expand totally. So x square 6x 9, y square 4 2s are 8y plus 16, z square 10z 25. Similarly second, x square 2x plus 1, and next one y square minus 6y plus 9, and z square 14z plus 49 is equal to K square. Now students, I will take the like term combine in the additions form and subtractions form. So it's very easy. You can cover your answers. So you just add that x square is 2 times, it means 2x square. Same as students, 2y square, and same as 2z square. Now minus 6x plus 2y minus 4x. Same students, minus 6y and minus 8y minus 14y Yes, 6 and 8. Now minus 10z plus 14z, it become 4z. Now time coming to constant. 9 and 16 25 and 25 50. 50 and 50 109 is equal to k square. And backside answer printed here, common taking 2. So here 2 common, x square, y square, z square, minus 2x minus 7y plus 2z, and right side k square minus 109, where k non-zero constant, k is constant. So in textbook answer is over that, divided by 2, 2x 7y 2z is equal to k square minus 109 by 2. And that's the students easily and simple way our this question 6 also done, students. Now students, here ending of these questions, our this part and this chapter number 12 is also students done here. And now here I stop this part, students, and further explanation for new chapters I will meet again in the next parts. Bye bye.